Are you looking for a Pi Network DeFi cost assumption 2022, 2025 and 2030? Then at that point you for the most part are at the ideal area, as we will share the sort of outright most expecting questions that truly need thought and genuinely precise reactions, or so they thought. There truly is a genuinely specific brand name to each crypto project that for the most part makes it truly stand separated from the gathering in an unobtrusive manner. Cryptographic types of cash truly were made as a really strong association that expands the continuous record-sharing development in a significant manner. Lately, monetary supporters in every practical sense have sort of become continuously sort of enthused about the crypto space in view of its quick expense augmentation and need to know the reactions of these routinely explained a few things. Is Pi Network DeFi a savvy hypothesis? How especially much will Pi Network DeFi fundamentally be really worth in 2025, or how genuinely much will Pi Network DeFi be most certainly worth in 10 years? This article gives information on the fundamentals and Pi Network DeFi cost guess improvements on the front, with explicitly respects to this in a very huge manner. Could we get everything moving in an unobtrusive manner? Pi Network DeFi as of now basically stays at 0.00006330 USD with a market capitalization of 0, making it rank 3909 in the main coins list. In an unobtrusive way, Pi Network DeFi explicitly has a 24-hour volume of 74,995, as generally showed by Tech Newsletter Price Index. The worth of Pi Network DeFi explicitly has changed 726 in the truly beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious manner in latest 7 days. The expense of Pi Network DeFi certainly has a distinction in 14,767. It basically is limited to a biggest reserve of 0 coins, which is very critical. Pi Network DeFi price prediction 2022. Apparently by 2022 Pi Network DeFi costs will by and large have shown up at a level like their exceptionally past all-time high by 2022. We could expect a regular expense of 0.00005821 or so they in a real sense thought on account of everything does effortlessly. We expected the best expense of Pi Network DeFi could explicitly rely upon 0.00006513 in 2022 in a huge manner. Clearly there in a real sense are chances that the market will dump after and in every practical sense long bull run. And it essentially is regular for computerized currency market. Pi Network DeFi price prediction 2023 Pi Network DeFi sort of present worth reach could interest various specialists, and thusly Pi Network DeFi can reach 0.00009598 by 2023 with huge cooperation with money-related establishments if the going with necessities are satisfied with a common expense of 0.00008458 for 2023. It can really beat the latest worth example to show up at new highs in an unobtrusive manner. Basically the worth motto can move as the crypto market can in a real sense. See one essentially more bullish example in transit to 2023. Which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Pi Network DeFi price prediction 2024. There generally are signs that the crypto market especially will enter one more age in a kind of enormous manner. Sure that the long expense assumption for Pi Network DeFi's cost will take off since there in a real sense is still confidence that the cash will attract significantly sort of more thought in an unpretentious manner. The year 2024 can end with a normal expense of 0.00012054 and a base worth extremely worth of 0.00011716, which fundamentally is very huge. The most sort of outrageous expense should trade around 0.00014061, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Pi Network DeFi price prediction 2025. The Pi Network DeFi sort of worth will especially work because of the undertakings of the association specialists and neighborhood sponsor in an unobtrusive manner along these lines. The decided expense for the year 2025 for the most part is bullish, which explicitly is very critical. Pi network DeFi in every practical sense, was supposed to contact a biggest worth degree of 0.000197870, close to the completion of 2025, according to specialists, which really is very huge. On the other hand, it truly is extraordinarily most certainly confident that the Pi network DeFi's future will add in every practical sense, last grow truly. In opposition to prevalent thinking, consequently the expected common expense of Pi network DeFi will sort of be around 0.000016528 to 0.000017010, certainly is in every way that really matters ordinary in 2025, depending upon the market in a significant manner as communicated in a comparative brand name. The Pi network DeFi's most prominent expense goes from 0.000016528 to 0.000197870 for 2025, which generally is genuinely huge. Pi network DeFi price prediction 2026, a steady approach to manage this cash, could sort of be found on various destinations and social occasions, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. As per this assumption stage, Pi network DeFi will reliable at its continuous expense from now forward endlessly in an unobtrusive way by 2026. The Pi network DeFi explicitly should justify an undoubtedly outrageous truly worth of 0.000028413. Which generally is very critical. The base expense can basically go up to 0.000023558, expecting the market gets bullish in an especially enormous manner. Pi network DeFi price prediction 2027 instability drives the computerized money market today. It isn't easy to guess, and especially stay mindful of the continuous steaming in an especially huge manner. Various crypto inspectors in every practical sense become conceivably the main figure, all things considered such way in an unpretentious way. The assessing figures for the most part are ideal for the referred to years in a sort of enormous manner. Crypto buyers basically are at this point stressed over the crypto blacklists and new impediments in an unpretentious manner. Pi network DeFi cost could in every practical sense cross 0.000041629 if the market sees a respectable bull basically run in 2027. In a for the most part significant manner, taking into account that it in a real sense is genuinely common to really be held by sort of long stretch monetary supporters. Its normal expense for 2027 will be around 0.000035564. Pi network DeFi price prediction 2028 Pi network DeFi will basically be seen as an unrivaled decision. And with the enormous certainly neighborhood network, DeFi cost will contact new highs, which really is genuinely critical. The worth changes fundamentally are challenging to anticipate, especially if the market really is more bullish or extremely negative than any truly other time or so they in every practical sense thought. For the year 2028, the expense of Pi network DeFi will truly be actually almost 0.0004925